So we need to have.
So, if
Oh, basta guys.
so guys, you see that it's dark because it's burnt out. So we have a better idea.
Okay.
We napagtanto namin na we have a solar.
I'm in online class right now. Shout out to mom. Hi.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
For today's video, me and my sisters are going to bake banana cakes for our customers. So we are going to show you how we're going to do it. Step by step, and that's it. So I hope you will learn a lot of things on how to bake, because even me, it's my first time to bake here in the Philippines. Only my sisters will guide me or teach me or show me how to bake banana cake. We will just going to have fun on baking, and yeah, that's it. Samantha is our mixer and Crystal is our fire.
Mo yan, water grenade.
Saan mo roll? Mix?
Baker.
Di kaya siya man ang mix.
Baker.
She's the mixer and she's the
Baker.
and me is the filmer. Ha ha ha. Sam, show us the first step.
First step is the all-purpose flour.
Okay. How many cups?
So, kanina mixture is good for 8 banana cakes.
How many cups of like that for that? 12 cups. Unsa man dapat na siya? Dapat without emotion jud ka magkuha sa magkanagkuan. Dapat wala makita la emotion. Ano na jud sa poker face? 4. Unsa man tayo? Unsa man tayo? Ay. Chika na ini, wabita tanaw sa imo.
Malimtan ni sa wangkuan ba?
Ang 5. Ay kalimot Sam. Smile pod Sam. Unsa man mo sa mga fans?
Follow her TikTok.
What's the name of her TikTok? What's the name of her TikTok?
Sami?
So guys, hindi natin sila pwedeng disturbuhin, baka mawala sila sa counting. Ulitin na naman namin. Oh, nakakapagod naman yan. Kailangan talaga, dapat buslot yung ano mo. Yung damit mo. Ngayon no, dapat buslot. Bakit Doy? Para
Sexy.
ano din ha? Pag buslot?
Next is brown sugar. So, we need 6 cups niya. Na-estimated naman ako na ang 1 kilo sa brown sugar is 6 cups. So, di na nato i-measure. Dito sa nakabutang.
Oh, yes.
Na-estimate po na ni Motel.
Share na estimate. We need to use
brown
scissors.
sugar.
Ay, scissors.
Siso natin halo dito sa flour.
So, next is,
Mix.
no, cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Why we need to have cinnamon?
To make the banana cake smell. Huh?
Good.
Smell good.
Ikaw na translate, di man kabalo mo translate.
I will translate.
Okay, Sam, why we need cinnamon?
Para mahumot.
So it will boom.
8 teaspoon, okay.
Teaspoon.
For how many banana cakes again for this one? 8 banana cakes. So,
for-
1 each.
Yeah.
The next is baking soda.
Okay. Why we need baking soda?
Ito na pala, anak.
Naka-explanation, no? Okay. Why baking soda is important?
Also known as bicarbonate of soda. It needs to be combined with an acid.
Lemon juice.
Lemon cream.
Yogurt, cocoa powder, and etc.
Okay.
To be able to act as a rising agent. So baking soda is important so that your
Cake.
dough will rise up.
Yeah, it's like evaporation.
The rising agent. It can provide a good shape to cookies. For example, cookies. Okay. Yay!
So next is we are going to put baking soda powder.
Baking powder.
Wag kayo magatin. Next is we are going to smash the banana. Why we need to have ripe banana, guys?
Because it's a secret recipe, so that your
Secret ingredients.
secret agent.
And then
Secret agent.
secret agent.
Next, we're going to mix it using our mixer
Okay.
and leave it for a while for about 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Ang kapatid ko. Hi lang.
Hi,
Anong ginagawa mo ngayon?
I'm eating right now.
Sinong kasama mo? Kasama mo pala siya ngayon? Kasama mo pala siya ngayon?
So for today,
Go!
so for today, the next step is
Today na po!
So tomorrow,
Sige nga, today ane. So next step. Taga-engaging kay.
the next step
Is to...
is to mix the wet ingredients.
what are the wet ingredients? Evaporated milk. Okay, next.
That's sponsor.
Nasa-sponsored. The butter.
The
The
oil,
oil.
the eggs over there,
The eggs. The big eggs.
the vanilla banana,
Ano sa? Ano? That's sponsor.
and then I don't know what.
Syrup.
No, this is also the secret ingredient.
Oh, secret
Ah.
ingredient. Secret.
Okay. Okay, mix it up, guys. Burn out, guys.
Brown out.
Trigo.
So guys, you see that it's dark because it's brown out. So we have a better idea.
Okay.
We napagtanto namin na we have a solar light, so it tada! Yay!
There's more.
And what is it?
Banana.
Banana.
Vanilla.
Banana.
Banana, vanilla.
So it gives more flavor to the banana,
Banana.
cake. Yeah.
Okay, very good.
So next is the butter.
Butter. The melted butter.
Yeah,
The
we
melted.
need to use 4 cups.
What we do with the excess butter?
We will use it in the pan,
Baking sheet.
frying
Baking
pan,
sheet.
so that the banana cake will not stick together.
Okay, very good.
Together.
Together, together, everyone.
So we need to have
Hungong dito. Kailangan siya hungong.
32 eggs.
32
Yes,
eggs! Oh my
1
God.
tray and 2 eggs.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Ikaw, iniibutan ko.
So, if so
Lisuda.
so
Bisaya na lang mo.
before we-
English dito para
before we put the eggs into this into the
No.
wet
Ingredients.
we need
We
to
need
put
to-
it in a cup first. So
Why?
Because we don't know if the eggs is reject or something.
Rejected?
Yeah.
Yeah, reject.
Ah.
No, it's
Yeah.
Immediately,
And then immediately
then there's a
bad egg.
bad egg. How would you
Get it.
get it
Oh.
as it's will getting bad?
Oh.
So let's start na.
Hey guys, so while waiting for the other ingredients to be prepared, me and Crystal are going to prepare as well the molder of the banana cake. So what we only need to do is just to wipe this molder with the melted butter, okay? So for the best part, guys, for me, for my best part, is to mix the smashed banana in the wet ingredients. How many we need, Sam? How many cups we need?
16 cups.
16 cups, okay.
So the next we will put some
Crushed peanuts onto the wet ingredients, guys. The purpose of the peanut is
so we have
add flavors. Just to add flavors, guys. Transfer it.
Combine the dry
Combine the
wet and the dry
ingredients. Okay.
So dry ingredients.
Next is we are going to mix the wet and the dry.
little by little only.
Little by little until we get the right mixture. Temperature.
I'm in online class right now.
Samantha is on online class right now, while doing the baking.
Shout out to mom. Hi.
Shout out to her mom. The next step is to
Put it in the oven.
guys, kukunin natin yung paper. O, diba? Ang ganda niya pag nakuha na yung paper kasi nga nilagyan natin kanina ng melted butter. So, kukuha tayo ng carton. Meron kami mga ready-made carton. Dito namin pinapack yung mga ready-made banana namin. Ito na yung mga orders. Ready for pick-up and ready for delivery. Ito naman si expert flip girl and expert kuha papel girl. Anong sasabi mo sa anong paborito mong steps, Noy, sa pagbe-bake?
Pagkain.
Apili mo din ginatilawan tel. Nain magatel. Of course, we as the baker make sure to have our own banana cake at the end of the baking period. Right, Noy? Oh, see? The baker, she's not even looking at it while flipping the banana cake.